Welcome back to MVP Auto. Today we've got something that breaks all the rules of what you thought an SUV could look like. You're looking at a fully customized Hyundai Palisade that's been turned into an absolute street monster. Right off the bat, the first thing you notice is the aggressive Widebody kit. It completely transforms the personality of the Palisade from a practical family SUV to a futuristic, road-dominating machine. The fenders are flared out to perfection, matching the sharp, angular lines that flow seamlessly across the body. Now check out that front end. The grille has been completely reworked, and the vertical LED DRLs give it a robotic, almost sci-fi vibe. It's bold, it's unapologetic, and it demands attention. The bumper is sculpted with sharp, precise cuts that enhance the sporty stance. You can tell every angle of this build was thought out with precision. Moving to the side, the suspension has been slammed, sitting low on custom black multi-spoke wheels that hug the fenders just right. The wheels are massive, wrapped in low-profile tires, and behind them, you'll catch a glimpse of those eye-catching blue brake calipers. That small detail pops just enough to stand out without being overdone. The paint? Pure luxury. A sleek, glossy pearl gray with contrasting black elements all around, from the side mirrors to the lower skirts. It reflects light beautifully under showroom conditions, giving it that premium, almost concept car-level finish. Every part of this build screams VIP style. It's clean, it's bold, and it doesn't rely on loud colors or excessive chrome to turn heads. Instead, it goes for a stealthy, aggressive look, one that blends performance vibes with luxury elegance. And even though we don't get a full view of the interior here, you can imagine it matches the exterior's vibe, likely wrapped in custom leather, maybe with ambient lighting and a few tech upgrades to complete the futuristic feel. This isn't just a show car, it's a statement. It proves that even an SUV like the Palisade can be turned into something that rivals the presence of a supercar on the streets. If you enjoyed this look, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you drive this beast daily? Don't forget to subscribe for more wild builds like this. You're watching MVP Auto, and we'll catch you in the next one.